guys, welcome to Paisa Vasool. Our first stop today is Kesaria. Let's go in, guys. Hello. Can I know what exactly you guys said right now?
Hamagani means like lots of greeting. It's kind of greeting, like we do namaste and all the things.
Okay.
Rajasthani people do like lots of like coming greeting. It's kind of like Hamagani.
Khamakhani.
Yeah.
So it's Khama Ghani basically.
Oh, it's
Khama
Khama
means
Ghani.
Namaste.
Okay.
And Ghani means bahut sara, like more of it.
More of it. Okay.
So it's
okay.
like more Namaste. to
Okay.
you. And in return, what you tell us is Ghani Khama.
Gani.
Gani Khama.
Correct. Just reverse the words.
Okay. Oh, I had no clue of this. This is something really new.
This is.
Yeah, totally new. So how long have you been established in Doha exactly?
It's maybe 1 year, 6 months. Yeah?
It's almost half an
1.5 years. Oh, that's nice. That's been quite an established. So, what is the story behind Kesaria exactly?
She will
If you-
better tell you.
So basically, the story behind is we wanted to establish. You'll find some Indian restaurants in Doha, no doubt. We wanted to go something very authentic.
Okay.
We have some basic North Indian restaurants. We wanted to be something authentic. So that is what we have got some vibes of Rajasthan here, and then the traditional foods and the staff's attires and everything. The taste, you'll find it very traditional this way.
Okay. So, can I know more about the veg thali that you were talking about right now?
I'll tell you whole thing about the
Okay.
thalis. In signature thali, we serve like 3 types of thali. The first is veg thali, chicken thali, and mutton thali.
Okay.
In starter, we have like 2 types of starter over there. Like we give chaat over there, and starter like paneer tikka we
Okay.
give there, and paneer marwadi we put over there. Like usually we change the starters over there.
Okay.
Then next we give salads. In salad we give 2 types of salad over there. One sprout salad and one like Indian salad, like green salad over there.
Okay.
And then in main course we give like the 5 types of main course, where we give like 3 Rajasthani dishes like Panchmel dal, Rajasthani curry, and gatte ka sabji.
Okay.
And rest we give like North Indian over there, like mixed veg, green vegetable, and other seasonal vegetable over there.
Okay.
And then dessert we give 3 types of dessert, like including churma, gulab jamun, and moong dal ka halwa.
My mouth is watering already. Okay.
In breads, we give like 4 types of bread: bajre ka roti, missi roti, tandoori roti, and butter naan.
Okay.
And
So
in
in
veg thali, we give veg pulao. In chicken, we give chicken pulao. In mutton, we give mutton pulao.
okay, so that's the main difference. So in short, you're telling us that we are going to have a feast, right?
In short, you'll get 24 items in one thali.
24 items. Oh my god. Okay, so this is all about Kesaria, right? So can I know about the signature thali that we actually came here to try? So can I know more about that also?
Signature thali is like we put like all the authentic food in one thali.
Okay.
Like full Rajasthani meal.
So
in
can you
one
name the
plate.
dishes if that's possible?
Over there in thali, you'll get like Panchmel dal. Panchmel dal is like you'll get 5 lentils in one dal.
Okay,
Like
okay. Yeah.
Dal. And there is like gatte ka sabji,
Okay.
and Rajasthani curry is there, and there is
You have
4
veg
veg.
and non-veg also, right? So in the veg, what are the things in the veg that makes it different and unique of its own?
But we give like 5 types of main course in one thali.
Okay.
5 types of main course, 1 pulao we give over there.
Okay.
4 types of bread. There is like bajre.
4 types?
Yeah, 4 types of
Oh
bread.
my god, okay.
Like we give bajre ka roti, missi roti, tandoori roti, and butter naan.
Okay, we're going to have a feast in short. Okay, that's nice. And what about the non-veg thali? What is it got extra? That
Non-veg
is
thali is similar to the veg one.
okay.
Only we replace the main dishes to non-veg one.
So what is the non-veg? That's what I wanted
Non-veg
to
like we
know.
give 1 chicken curry over there,
Okay.
1 dry chicken, and 1 starter chicken.
One starter
And the
chicken.
rest item will be veg.
Okay, that's
It
nice.
give you like
That's
Rajasthani feel. Like Rajasthani people are like veg most of them. So
Okay.
you can taste like veg item also and non-veg also in one plate. Kind of that.
that's nice. Let's go eat right now.
You must try.
चूरमा राजस्थानी कड़ी छ देन राजस्थानी कड़ी गट्टे के सब्जी मूंग दाल हलवा कैरेट हलवा छ चिकन स्टार्टर प्याज मलाई सब्जी एंड पापड़ी सब्जी स्प्राउट सलाद चिकन करी फिर चिकन बिरयानी एंड बटर मिल्क देन दाल पंचमेल देन दाल बाटी छ
Dal bati. Well,
गार्लिक चटनी एंड टिपुरी मिर्ची टिपुरी
food is finally here. Oh my god, I've been waiting to try this signature thali. Been hearing about it from the whole team, so now it's time for us to check it out. Whatever I can see from here, the chicken biryani, the paneer, the dal, especially the chaat looks damn, really good it looks. And obviously our, gajar ka halwa. My god, my mouth is already watering. I think I should really sit down and just have my food. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, finally the food is here. It's been so long the food isn't here, and if I don't have anything, it will be a crime. So let me just try this biryani that is here. Oh my god. Stay tuned to Foodie Pola for more such updates. You guys don't miss it out.